Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can cast your phone on your computer or laptop. See, this is on the currently on the YouTube actually. I'll be just minimizing this. So if you observe, sorry. So I'm just playing a video and this is just casting on the laptop. So this all thing just with a USB cable. See, this is a type C port cable connected to this laptop with the type C. Okay, there is only one requirement here. First thing is you need to install an app called this one, Android file transfer screen mirroring to PC. This is the application you need to download. How you can download? On the Windows, just search as Store or Microsoft Store. See, you already know that this is the Microsoft Store, right? Once you are here, just search with this like Android file transfer and screen mirroring to PC. So you can easily transfer the files between this phone and the laptop easily, and also you can screen mirror. So this is the app. So you can just remember the publisher name here, MTV Gaming. It is showing up here. Okay, MTV Gaming. So once it is downloaded, you just need to click on open this on the computer. So I open this. At the top you will have this cast your phone screen. As soon as you click that, no device connected, it is saying, see, no device connected. At that point of time, what you can do is on your mobile, click on this options. Okay, first of all you need to turn on the developer options. How you can turn on the developer options? On your Android mobile, click on these settings and go to the bottom and see something like about phone. Then click on the device details and you'll see something like build number here, device identifier, build number, right? Tap on 7 times for this to become a developer. Once you become a developer, on your Android phone settings you need to search like USB debugging. Where is this USB? So I'll be still searching debugging. So you need to enable this option. If it is disabled, you need to enable this. Once you enable this, yeah, on the laptop, just try to click on cast your phone screen. Make sure, yeah, on the USB here, click on this drop down Android system and click on this charging via more options, right? Click on USB tethering and sorry, verify, yeah, right. Now it is asking like allow debugging. Yes, allow. That's it. Now click on cast your phone screen. Okay, sorry. Okay, at this point of time what you can do is you can click on refresh here. Okay, this got refresh and click on the cast your phone screen. So now the phone is successfully connected and now it is getting mirrored to this PC. In this way you can mirror your phone screen to the PC. I hope you like this video. You can just maximize the window to the full screen. Okay, if you like this video, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.